Hello, welcome back to Crypto Novos, where newbies become masters. My name is Chris Brown, and I'm the host of the channel. Today, I'm going to be doing my update on my first crypto challenge, which was done back in January when the 600 stimulus checks were issued out. So this is the Q1 2021 update for that particular challenge, and I think those of you who chose to accept the challenge are going to be pleasantly surprised as to how you're doing if you're not tracking it already. As always, I'd like to give a shout out to Swan because Swan, I'm an affiliate marketer for Swan. They, in fact, do have some really great programs for people who want to do dollar cost averaging with just Bitcoin. So I would highly suggest that you take a look at their programs. They have very low fees, and I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. As always, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not offering financial advice. These videos are for educational purposes only. As always, do your own research in the crypto market and with the various assets that you would like to purchase so that you understand all of the risks. I always like to put this slide on because there really are 12 price influencers for any crypto digital asset. And I try to cover 5 of them primarily in the videos that I produce when I do my price predictions. I'm not going to get into any of that really today, but it's always nice to have this in the back of our minds. Okay, so the challenge that I did before had actually 2 different strategies. One was a Bitcoin only strategy, and the other one actually just focused on investing within the top 10 at that point in time. So Bitcoin obviously was part of it. We then diversified and went into Ethereum and XRP. And so this was the items that we invested in. And that was Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, and Chainlink. As you noticed, the top 10 have changed. And if you noticed, at the time, Bitcoin was 32,000, Ethereum was only 777,000, 777. XRP was simply 22 cents. Cardano was only 17 cents, and Chainlink was a little over $12. So this was the breakdown. Did 150 in Ethereum, 150 in Bitcoin, and then did 100 each for XRP, ADA, and Chainlink. The goal is to get this portfolio mix up to $7,600 approximately, which would mean you take $600, turn it into 76, which means you had a gain of $7,000 for the year. That's the goal. So here is the update for Q1. Bitcoin, we started with $150. Now we're at $276 since Bitcoin, and the prices that I used were the prices that each one of these digital assets closed on March 31st, so at the very end of the day. So at that day, Bitcoin was 58,918. Ethereum went from 150 to 286 because its close was at 1918. XRP went from $100 to $250. It's more than doubled. It is now at the time it was at 57 cents, a little over. Cardano more than doubled, almost 6 times, 6x'd. Remember, it started at 17 cents. At the close of the 31st, it was at $1.19. Chainlink started at $12. It more than 2x'd as well. It was sitting at $29.35, just under 30. So at the present moment, the $600 that we initially invested is now at $1,619. So we've gained about a little over $1,000 in just Q1. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens in Q2. So the 2021 bull run is exciting. It's upon us. I don't know how well you did, if you in fact invested that amount or did a little bit more or even had a little bit different portfolio mix. But my suggestion is take a look at it. Take a look at it on a quarterly basis. More than that, I think is probably too much, but take a look at it. Keep track of how you're doing with your investments and make whatever adjustments you think you might need to make. And that's the video. If you liked it, please subscribe. I will be doing another video and at the end of Q2. In fact, I will be doing 2. I did one for the $600 stimulus check, and then I did another video for the $1,400. I will be doing updates at the end of Q2 on both of those. Until then, this is Crypto Novos, where newbies become masters. I'm the host, Chris Brown, and I will see you in the next video.